Welcome back. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today laid out the roadmap for vaccination. The process begins on the 16th of January, and this is likely to be the biggest such exercise across the world. The Prime Minister also gave out details about who gets vaccinated first. He did warn people, do not be swayed by rumor mongers. Let's listen in to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. India Today's National Affairs Editor Rahul Srivastav brings us this report.
The final countdown to the world's largest vaccination program has begun. With less than 5 days to go for the first jab, Prime Minister Modi chaired a crucial meeting with all chief ministers of the states to take stock of preparedness. Modi spelled out the vaccine plan. He said the entire cost of inoculating 3 crore frontline workers in the first phase will be borne by the centre.
हमारी कोशिश सबसे पहले उन लोगों तक कोरोना वैक्सीन पहुंचाने की है जो देशवासियों की स्वास्थ्य सुरक्षा में दिन जुटे हुए हैं, जो हमारे हेल्थ वर्कर्स हैं, सरकारी हो या प्राइवेट, पहले उनको टीका लगाया जाएगा.
The Prime Minister hailed country's scientists, saying it was a matter of pride that both the vaccines were made in India.
बड़ी बात जो मैं दोहराना चाहता हूं कि हमारी दोनों वैक्सीन्स दुनिया की दूसरी वैक्सीन से ज्यादा कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव है. हम कल्पना कर सकते हैं अगर भारत को कोरोना टीकाकरण के लिए विदेशी वैक्सीन पर पूरी तरह निर्भर रहना पड़ता तो हमारे क्या हालत होते.
Modi said the vaccination drive was a salute to India's federalism and every effort should be made to ensure its success.
हर राज्य, हर केंद्र शासित प्रदेश को ये सुनिश्चित करना होगा कि अफवाहों पर वैक्सीन से जुड़े अपप्रचार को कोई हवा न मिले.
With doses on their way to various centers, India is getting vaccine ready. The Prime Minister said the country was entering the most decisive phase in its battle against coronavirus. Bureau Report, India Today.
The vaccine is already being hailed as the corona killer made in India. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's National Affairs Editor Rahul Srivastav for more on this. Rahul, 5 days to go. The countdown has begun. How will the process roll out? Trucks, apparently refrigerated trucks already lined up at the Serum Institute's Pune facility, Rahul.
Gaurav, the procurement orders have gone. The trucks are waiting. And there is a large exercise, Gaurav, which has already been carried out in three times. And the last one on Friday was involving over 700 districts, 33 states and union territories. Now, what one knows is that the systems have been tested at almost every level, be it government hospitals, private hospitals, medical institutes, or the lower medical facilities within the matrix. Now, what government sources are saying that 100 crore has already been set aside from the PM CARE as far as the first 3 crore inoculations are concerned, as far as the frontline workers are concerned. Now, for that, a large matrix of infrastructure, IT infrastructure has already been created. The Prime Minister at the meeting, Gaurav, very interestingly paid a lot of emphasis as far as the real-time feedback is concerned. You see, how the vaccine is going to get implemented is going to need great amount of efficient management and implementation. In that, each person who is coming up for inoculation and each person who receives the inoculation needs to be added to the portal on which the state, the district administration and the center all need to be on the same page. And that is where the great emphasis on portals is. Interestingly, some state governments have cited certain apprehensions about IT platforms and also the availability of broadband. But these are elements which are being worked out as quickly as possible. And interestingly, a lot depends now on the state. That's
in fact, that's the point I was coming to, Rahul.
Because eventually the
for
implementing
such a process to be
are the states, Gaurav.
Yes. And for this process to be successful, the center and the states need to be on the same page. They need to work in tandem. One needs to be the wingman of the other. Are states on the same page as the center, Rahul?
Gaurav, I think there is a bit of a politics already brewing on the issue, with states like West Bengal already citing that there is a bit of politics in the vaccination being driven by the center. The center is doing vaccine politics, and states should be getting more powers as far as the implementing authority concerned. Chhattisgarh government is making different kind of noises. It says that it does not have very high coronavirus cases. Now, this is the real issue, Gaurav. You see, like you saw in the case of polio, Gaurav, any missed case always leads to a further crisis as far as the existence of polio at one time in this country was. It took decades for us to eradicate polio. And in case of coronavirus, which is an ongoing pandemic, Gaurav, any missing link or any gap in the implementation is going to be critical. It's going to actually set the country back by months. And that is why everybody needs to be definitely on the same page.
Rahul, keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more. For the moment, many thanks.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.